Ananya is a girl, she's from Bandra and stuff. This film has a certain lingo of Mumbaiya. The way she was emoting them, or the way she was speaking, or the way she was talking, I think she's going to be a surprise package. I think people should wait and watch.
Maqbool, even you are working with Ishan and Ananya for the first time in this film. Ishan, of course, has proved his mettle in films like Beyond the Clouds, Dhadak, and A Suitable Boy. And same with Ananya, she's also been appreciated in the films that she's done. While most people have recognized that, there are some sections that somehow, reduce their identity to mere words like nepotism products or, disregard their hard work in many ways. Coming from a film background, they kind of have that assumption. But having worked with them, what would you say about it?
We cast them because they both suited the character of my script, and it was not because हमको a particular actor चाहिए था. हमको script के अंदर हमारे जो characters हैं वो characters चाहिए, तो वो दोनों suit कर रहे थे. रही बात nepotism वाली, जहाँ तक है, I think they both are fantastic actor. Nepotism वाली जो बात है, उसमें आपको एक बार मौका मिलेगा, उसके बाद then you have to prove yourself. Basically, if you are not talented, you will not go further ahead. Coming in this industry, right in front of you, we three are sitting. We are
all from non-film backgrounds.
Nepotism. मुझे लगता है लोगों को थोड़ा सा take it easy करना चाहिए, और talent है तो सामने आएगा यार. Nobody can stop that.
Yeah. And otherwise, how was your experience working with them?
Oh, it was wonderful. Amazing experience working with both of them. Ishan, everybody, you've seen his performances in two films already. I think he's very, very intelligent, and at this such young age, you'll be surprised when you interact or you talk to them about cinema, world cinema. These kids are very well read. They know what they are doing actually, and they have put in their heart and soul into the film, into the character. We had too many workshops for almost a month and a half. As a director, they keep you on your toes and they push the envelope so hard. So you're all the time your antenna is up completely. So is the case with Ananya. I saw Student of the Year, and I think she has this funny bone or that quirkiness in her personality. So which is what required for my character of Khali Pili. I just saw her in a couple of scenes in Student of the Year. And when she came and I narrated, and Himanshu was the one, he said, I think she has loved the script, and I think she's doing it. And once we started doing our workshops, and Ananya is a girl, she's from Bandra and stuff. But when I was was into the workshop, and my film has a certain lingo of Mumbaiya, very colloquial, very, I would say, famous language words I have picked up in the film. The way she was emoting them, or the way she was speaking, or the way she was talking, I think she's going to be a surprise package. I think people should wait and watch. Both kids are, and really they worked hard.
Especially with Ishan and Ananya, because they're so aware of what's happening. And the best part is, as performers, as artists, they don't take themselves like granted, or anybody involved in the film. For whatever it is happening, they value it, they take it, and they're still working on it. And it's not that kaam ho gaya, ye ho gaya, it's not our fault being from whatever background we come. They are still involved right till every asset of the film is is releasing. For example, teaser, song, or a trailer. They're as invested. They want to give the audiences all the possible best bone in themselves, so that कल उनको ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि कोई कसर रहेगी. And I just feel this is very important, whether you come from any background, as long as you're trying to do, impress your audience and still trying to do whatever your producers and director are asking out of you as a character. I just feel that it's a right zone, irrespective of whatever background you come. And I think every one of us, each one of us, whoever is in this frame is basically here because of whatever they've done professionally in past. And I just feel that's the way it works for everybody, I feel. And most importantly, value wise, for their age, for where they are, they all believe in the same thing. That is very important.
And regarding their performance and talent, I would just want to add one thing over here. Ali Bhai, he is a very, very difficult man. उनके इमोशंस जो होते हैं ना, वो समझ में नहीं आते हैं कि ये क्या तुमको एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. And when you get a message from your producer that Maqbool, teri actress ki performance achhi hai, so for me my day was made. That was my victory कि मेरे producers ने मेरे को तारीफ कर दी ना कि performance तेरी अच्छी है. So that also speaks about the caliber these actors have, because it has somewhere touched the god of Ali Bhai also when he saw them.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.